Hello, everyone. Today we are talking about the verb be.
Yes, we use be every day when we speak English.
It is one of the most important verbs in English.
We say I am, you are, and he is, and these are present forms of the verb be.
We use be to talk about people and identity. For example, I can say, I'm a teacher, or you are my friend. These sentences tell us who someone is.
We also use it to talk about feelings and emotions. For example, I am happy today, or she is tired after work.
We can use be to talk about places and location. For example, we are at home, or they are at school right now.
Yes, and we often use it to talk about the weather or situations. We say, it is cold today, or it is sunny outside.
So remember, am, is, and are present forms of be, and we use them for facts, feelings, and situations.
That's right. Be is a small verb, but it helps us make many correct and clear sentences in English.
Now let's talk about been. Been is used with have or has. It talks about the past.
For example, I can say, I have been busy. That means I was busy before, and maybe I am still busy.
Yes, that is correct. We can also say, she has been sick. It started in the past.
Or, they have been at work all day. It started before now.
We do not say, I've been tired. That is wrong. We must say, I have been tired.
Yes, always use have or has before been. That is very important.
Been helps us talk about time. It connects the past and the present.
So remember, have been and has been are very common in English.
Now let's talk about being. Being is used in continuous forms.
Yes, we use it when something is happening now. For example, you are being loud.
That means the person is loud now. It is happening at this moment.
We can also say, he is being nice today. Maybe he is not always nice, but today he is nice.
Good example. We use being to talk about temporary actions.
Be is basic, been is for the past with have, and being is for actions now.
Now let's practice more. I will say 3 sentences. Listen carefully and think about the form.
Yes, this is good practice. When we repeat sentences, we remember better. Let's start.
First sentence. I am ready for the exam. Here we use am because it is present. It is happening now.
Yes, that is correct. Am is the present form of be. We use it with I.
Second sentence. I have been ready since 8 o'clock. This started in the past. It continues until now.
Good example. We use have been to connect past and present. It shows time.
Third sentence. You are being very careful today. This is happening right now.
Yes, maybe the person is not always careful, but today, at this moment, they are being careful.
Let's imagine a real situation. I say I am tired. This is my feeling now.
And I can say, you have been working all day. That explains why you are tired now.
Exactly. Now I say, you are being very quiet. That means something is different today.
Yes, maybe I am usually talkative, but today I am being quiet. It is temporary.
So we see three different uses. Be talks about facts and feelings. Been connects time.
And being shows action happening now. These forms are simple, but very important in English.
Now let's talk about feelings in real life, because we often use be when we describe how we feel during the day. For example, I can say, I am very tired today because I woke up early in the morning.
That is a good example, and it is very natural English. I can also say, I have been tired all week because I am very busy at work. This shows the feeling started before now.
Yes, exactly. And that is why have been is very useful when we want to explain a situation that started in the past and is still true now.
And if someone is different today, we can say, you are being very quiet today and I am a little surprised. That shows something temporary.
Good point. Because being often shows something happening at this moment, and maybe it is not normal behavior.
So we must listen carefully in conversations because be, been, and being give us important information about time and situation.
When you practice these forms every day, they become natural and easy to use in real conversations.
Yes, and you will start to understand them automatically when you hear native speakers talking.
Let's imagine we are at school, and I say, I am nervous about the exam because it is very important for my future.
Then I can answer, you have been studying very hard this month, so you will do well. That connects past effort to the present moment.
That is true. And if a student is usually noisy but today is calm, the teacher can say, you are being very quiet today, and I like that.
Yes, that sentence shows the student's behavior is different right now, and maybe it will change tomorrow.
So in school, at work, or at home, we can use these forms in very simple but meaningful ways.
And even in small talk, we say things like, I have been busy, or I am happy today, without thinking too much about grammar.
That is the goal, to use English naturally without stopping to think about every rule.
Practice speaking slowly and try to make your own sentences with be, been, and being.
Let's continue our school example a little more, because this is a situation many students understand very well. Imagine a student says, I am very stressed because the exam is tomorrow.
Then a friend can answer, you have been preparing for this exam for many weeks, so you should feel more confident now. That sentence connects past preparation with the present feeling.
Yes. And if the student is acting differently than usual, a teacher might say, you are being unusually quiet today. Is everything okay?
That question shows that the behavior is temporary and maybe something is different today. It helps us understand the meaning of being better.
So in school conversations, we often move between present feelings, past effort, and temporary actions without even thinking about grammar rules.
That is why practicing real-life examples is very helpful, because we start to see how these forms work naturally in daily English.
I will say a short story using all three forms, so listen carefully and try to notice how they are different in meaning.
Yes, this is a very good way to learn, because when we hear forms in context, we understand them better.
I'm at home now and I'm relaxed because I have been working all day at the office.
In that sentence, am shows your situation now, and have been working shows what started in the past and finished recently.
Then I can say, my brother is being very helpful today because he is cleaning the kitchen.
That means he is helpful right now, and maybe he is not always like this. It is something temporary.
When we combine these forms in real stories, we can describe time, action, and feelings clearly.
Yes, and this is why understanding these small words is very important for daily English conversation.
Today we learned that be is used for present facts, feelings, and situations, and it is one of the most common verbs in English.
We also learned that being is used with have or has to connect the past with the present and show time or duration.
And being is used for temporary actions or behavior that is happening right now.
These three forms look similar, but they have different meanings, and now you understand the difference more clearly.
If this lesson helped you understand be, been, and being, please support our channel.
How are you improving your English? Please write in the comments.
Yes. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more easy English podcast lessons.